Of course, you first need to remove the interior door panel. See the accompanying video in the description or information card.
Front doors.
Once the trim is off, we first unscrew the speakers and remove the plastic cover. I think that doesn't need further explanation and should be doable for everyone. Once the two parts are out, you lower the side window to the correct height. For the driver's door, you obviously have to connect the door panel to operate the side window. The correct height is reached when you can see the two clips through the holes in the window regulator that hold the window in place. To release, carefully push the clip back a little while simultaneously pulling the side window upwards. Then lift the window out of the door. Next, we'll remove the window regulator motor. Simply remove the 3 screws. And then pull the motor out with a little wiggling. The window regulator coil has small hooks. You squeeze these together and then push the coil inwards. Next, remove the 4 marked rubber plugs. The nuts and bolts for the window regulator are located behind them. Loosen the screws, do not remove them completely. And remove the window regulator from the door. When reinstalling, simply reverse all the steps. The important thing here is to first make sure the window is properly pushed back into the two guides on the left and right. Only then should you push it back into the window regulator.
Rear doors.
The rear door is almost identical. The only difference is that the window regulator is only screwed in at 2 points. And the mounting of the side window on the window regulator is different. The side window is attached here with 2 small plastic rivets. To release, push the inner part inwards. This is very stiff. Once the inner part is out, you can also push through the outer ring. Once the rivets have been removed, the side window can be pulled upwards. The reinstallation is crucial here. First, the rivets need to be reattached to the side window. And only then was the window pressed back into the window regulator from above. The window regulator moves outwards on both sides. This can be very stiff and makes a loud clicking noise during installation. Good luck with your DIY project.